Hello, today we're standing next to a new 2021 Deere 50G mini excavator such as you see here. It's equipped with a standard counterweight. It weighs around 10,500 pounds. It's got 36 horsepower and it's got 23 gallons per minute of auxiliary flow, and that's an important number in addition to the lift capacity of a mini excavator. This machine does not have a thumb, so that adds to what you can carry at the end in the form of a flail mower. So this is the Lipa TLBE-S 90. It's got a 37-inch cut width. It weighs 680 pounds and it has the optional oscillating carriage, bumping the weight up to 800 pounds, and we'll discuss that in a minute. So it's got 7 tri-tooth flails. These tri-tooth flails actually interlock, if you can see, within the stationary knives up and down the inside of the heavy housing. So that improves the mulching performance of this mower. When the flails last 200 to 300 hours depending on what you're cutting and if you're keeping them out of soil and rocks. When you do need to replace them, the bolts that hold them in place are held in place within a countersunk hex that you can see here. So you only need one wrench to remove the nut. The mower features a rubber flap at the front, as you can see, to help control flying debris, in addition to a set of chains. It has skid plates across both ends, which are replaceable if they ever wear out, and a roller across the back, which is important, a heavy roller with a scraper that's adjustable. The roller is adjustable also to control the cut height of the mower, so you can set the working height above the soil surface with the rear roller. That significantly improves the life of the flails, so you're keeping the flails out of soil and out of rocks. It's got a rubber flap across the back again to help control flying debris. It's powered by a gear motor, a Cassapa gear motor. No case drain is required. That's a big plus. We get that question a lot. It's aggravating if you have to put a case drain on a rental machine. Cheaper too if you don't have to put a case drain. So again, no case drain is required. It does have the oscillating carriage, which is an option, which helps this mower follow the contours of the ground much better. So that's a good feature. It just helps the mower follow the ground better and it takes the load off the operator. So that's the Lipa TLBE-S 90. If you have any questions, please contact us at needhamag.com, and thanks for watching.